Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to see a problem from differential calculus. So this is from exercise 6.1, third problem. This is an important 6 marks. To solve this problem, the only thing that you need to know is if y is equal to x power n, then dy would be nx n minus 1 and then dx here. Okay, this is something that you need to know, and let's solve one after the other. Let's go with the first subdivision. Subdivision 1, square root of 36.1. okay, so first let's say that let y is equal to f of x, which is equal to square root of x. That means x to the power of 1 by 2. Just trying to write it in the same format as in the formula, yeah. And then dy is equal to same as here. Here n is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 into x to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 into dx. Yeah, so dy is equal to 1 by 2 into x to the power of half minus 1 minus half, right? So minus 1 by 2 dx. So let's get back to the sum now. This is general, so now we have to solve this one. So let delta x is equal to 0.1, which is equal to dx, yeah, and x is equal to 36. So 36 is x and this 0.1 is dx. Okay, so root of x is equal to root of 36, which is equal to 6. Therefore f of x is equal to f of 36, which is equal to 6, right? We are getting this from this one. And also what we know, dy is equal to, here from this I will write it here, 1 by 2 into x. What is x here? It is 36, so I will write it as 36 to the power of minus 1 by 2 into dx. What is dx here? 0.1. okay, which is equal to 1 by 2 into this, I will write it as 1 by square root of 36 multiplied by 0.1, which is equal to 1 by 2 into root of 36 is 6, so I'll write it as 6 here, into 0.1. okay, so that means 0.1 divided by 12, which is equal to, I have done the calculation already, so I know this is 0.0083. so dy is equal to 0.0083. The next step would be to find our actual answer to this problem. Square root of 36.1 is equal to f of 36 plus 0.1, and what we know is f of 36, we know it already, which is 6 here, plus dy, yeah, because this is small change, so which is equal to dy we have found it. F of 36 is 6 plus 0.0083, which is equal to 6.0083. Okay, this is the answer for this problem. Okay, next we'll do the second subdivision. 1 by 10.1, which is equal to 10.1 to the power of minus 1. So again, same like in last problem, I'll write it as let y is equal to f of x, which is x to the power of minus 1. Yeah, so here x is 10.1. Then let's move on to dy part. Dy is equal to, as I told you, y is equal to x power n, means dy is equal to n into x power n minus 1 dx, right? So here n is minus 1, so minus 1 into x power minus 1 dx, which is minus 1 into x to the power of minus 2 dx. Alright, then let delta x, that is the one after the dot, you have to take it. That means delta x is equal to 0.1, which is equal to dx. And also what you know, this is x, so x is equal to 10. From this what you can know is f of x, which is here, f of x is equal to x to the power of minus 1. You know x is 10, so 10 to the power of minus 1, which is 0.1. Yeah, the next one is dy. Dy is equal to, we have it here already, minus 1 into x to the power of minus 2 dx. So minus 1 into, we know x as 10 here, so 10 to the power of minus 2 into dx, which is 0.1, which is equal to minus 1 into 0.01 into 0.1, which is equal to minus 0.001. So we know dy now. So dy is equal to minus 0.001. Therefore 1 by 10.1 is equal to f of 1 by 10.1, which is equal to f of 1 by 10 plus dy. We know this is equal to 0.1. Yeah, so just 0.1 plus dy is equal to minus 0.001. Yeah, which is equal to 0.099. Yeah, so this is the answer. Therefore 1 by 10.1 is equal to 0.099. This is the answer to this problem. Yeah, now let's move on to the third subdivision. The third subdivision is here, which is y is equal to cubic root of 1.02 plus fourth root of 1.02. So we are going to take it as two separate parts. So this I am going to assume it as y1, and this I am going to assume it as y2. let y is equal to y1 plus y2, then y1 is equal to cubic root of 1.02 and y2 is equal to 4th root of 1.02. From here on it's similar to the previous problems. Yeah, so we'll take this and solve it first. So this is part 1. So let y is equal to f of x is equal to cubic root of x, which we can write it as x to the power of 1 by 3. Yeah, so dy is equal to 1 by 3 into x to the power of 1 by 3 minus 1 into dx. Yeah, then dy is equal to 1 by 3 into x to the power of 1 by 3 minus 1 will be minus 2 by 3 dx. Then let delta x is equal to, what is it here? It is 0.02 and x is equal to 1, which is coming from here. And then f of x is equal to cubic root of x, which is equal to cubic root of 1, which is equal to 1. Yeah, dy is equal to 1 by 3 into x to the power of minus 2 by 3 dx, which is equal to 1 by 3 into, here x is 1 to the power of minus 2 by 3 dx, we know it as 0.02. So which is equal to 1 by 3 into, anything to the power of 1 is always 1, into 0.02, which is equal to 0.0067. Therefore cubic root of 1.02 is function of cubic root of 1 plus dy, which is equal to, this one we know it as 1 plus dy is here, which is 0.0067. So answer to this problem is 1.0067. Yeah, this is the first part. The part 2 is y2 is equal to 4th root of 1.02. So here I will take this as y. So let y is equal to f of x, which is equal to 4th root of x, which I will write it as x to the power of 1 by 4. And then dy is equal to 1 by 4 into x to the power of 1 by 4 minus 1 dx, which is equal to 1 by 4 x to the power of 1 by 4 minus 1 will be minus 3 by 4 dx. So we know dy now. Then let's assume delta x, which will be coming from here 0.02, which will call us dx, and x is equal to here 1. Therefore f of x is equal to 4th root of x, which is, we know x as 1, so 4th root of 1 is equal to 1. Next we have to find the dy, which is 1 by 4 x to the power of minus 3 by 4 dx, which is 1 by 4 x is 1 here, so 1 to the power of minus 3 by 4 into dx, which is 0.02, which is equal to 1 by 4 into, this is always 1, so 0.02, which is equal to 0.005. Therefore fourth root of 1.04 is f of x plus dy, which is f of x is here, which we know it as 1, and dy is here, which is 0.005, which is equal to 1.005. I'll mark it as 2. From 1 and 2, cubic root of 1.02 plus fourth root of 1.02 is equal to, the first one is 1.0067 and the second one is here 1.005, which is equal to 2.0117. Yeah, this is the answer to the complete problem. That's it. Next we are moving to the last subdivision, that is fourth subdivision, which is 1.97 to the power of 6. Here there is one catch here. So always in the previous problems it is like 1.02 or 1.2, something like this. So we always take this as dx, but here it is almost close to 2, right? So what we are going to do is, we are going to do it like 2 minus 0.03. So this will be your x and this will be your dx. This is the only difference compared to the previous problems. Apart from that, everything is the same. So we'll just do exactly the same. Let y is equal to f of x, which is x to the power of 6. Yeah, so dy becomes 6 into x, 6 minus 1 dx, which is 6 into x to the power of 5 dx. The next one is, let delta x is equal to, what is delta x? Here it is minus 0.03, which is equal to dx, and x is equal to 2. Therefore f of x is equal to x to the power of 6, which is equal to, x is here, so that is 2 to the power of 6, which is 64. Then we'll go to the dy part. Dy is equal to 6x to the power of 5 dx, which is equal to 6 into x, we know it as 2, so 2 to the power of 5 into dx is here, which is minus 0.03, which is equal to 6 into 32 into minus 0.03, which is equal to minus 5.76. Yeah, so therefore 1.97 to the power of 6 is equal to f of 1.97 to the power of 6, which is equal to f of x plus dy, which is equal to, f of x is here, that is 64, and dy is here, which is minus 5.76, which is equal to 58.24. So this is the answer to this problem. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep watching. If you have any doubts, write it in your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks and bye bye.